Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
And
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
we're done having the photo shoot. On our way to the grandparents. My mom's inside buying some hot dogs for us and like something to drink. I'm driving the car, getting my driver's license in like half a year. It's gonna be amazing. Can't wait to take this on a girls trip, this car. I'm here with the dog, Kira. I'll give you some photos from the photo shoot, and yeah, you'll see them on my Instagram.